What do a psychic goth girl, a deadly game for cash, and kids battling monster for the upside down have in common? They are not just shows, they are global obsession. Welcome to Screen Explain TV, your one-stop breakdown for everything insane, mysterious and jaw-dropping in the world of Wednesday, Squid Games and the strangest things. From secret plot leaks to season finale that will melt your brain. We are diving deep. Let's unlock the madness. The Netflix shows that thrill the world. Wednesday Season 2. You won't believe what's coming in Wednesday Season 2. Get ready to return to Nevermore Academy. But this time, it's darker, bloodier, and way more twisted than before. Season 2 officially drops into two parts. Mark your calendars. August 6th and September 3rd, 2025. And guess what? Wednesday isn't just bad. She is unhinged. Oh, and did we mention Wednesday literally bleeds from her eyes in the opening minutes? That's just the beginning, guys. The Kansas City Sleeper, a mini serial killer played by Haley Joel Osment, traps her in a room of creepy doll heads. This time, romance takes a backseat and Gina herself confirmed it's all about the gore, the mystery and more of Wednesday's psychic chaos. Number 2. Squid Game Season 3. Squid Game Season 3 is coming and it's becoming more blood, betrayal and mind-bending games than ever before. Dropping on June 27, 2025, this final chapter promises to be the most twisted and intense season yet. Ji-hoon is back and this time he's not playing to survive, he's playing to destroy the system from within. But can he actually win against the masterminds pulling the strings? Season 3 picks up right where Season 2 left us hanging. Ji-hoon, haunted by the death of Jung-bae and his own failed rebellion, is now determined to bring the game to its knees. But the front man, colder and more calculated than ever, won't go down without a brutal fight. It's a war of wits, morals and survival, and not everyone will make it out alive. Number 3. Stranger Things. Stranger Things Season 5 is coming and it's going to flip your world upside down, literally. The final chapter of this epic saga promises the most intense, emotional and action-packed episode we have ever seen, and trust us, you are not ready for what's about to go down in Hawkins. Vecna is not dead. He's lurking, healing and planning something catastrophic. The upside down has already begun merging with the real world and Hawkins is ground zero for the ultimate supernatural war. This time it's not about escaping the upside down, it's about surviving it. There you have it, the twists, the theories and the chaos you didn't see coming. Whether it's Wednesday bleeding from her eyes, Squid Game rising the stakes or Stranger Things ripping off the upside down one last time, we have just getting started. So if you are obsessed with dark secrets, shocking reveals and wild fans theory, hit that subscribe button and join the Screen Explain TV family. Because trust us, the next drop, you won't want to miss it.